evening, one and all present here, and my name is Palak, and today I am going to telling you about National Science Day. So I will start now. So I am going to telling you about National Science Day a little more, and the history of National Science Day, celebration of National Science Day, how it is celebrated in India, and the objectives of National Science Day, of celebration of objectives, and the theme also, and about what happened in the 2012 National Science Day. So I will start now. So first I will tell you about little more of National Science Day. That National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February each year to mark a discovery of the Raman effects by India physics Sir C.V. Raman on 28 February 1928. So, for this discovery, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Okay, so this is all about the National Science Day celebrated in India on 28 February every year, and this every year it's marked to be a discovery of Raman effects, and he have also get awarded by Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. So he discovered in 1928, and he awarded in 1928 the Nobel Prize he have awarded. So I will tell you about now the history of National Science Day. So I will tell you that. So the history of National Science Day was in 1986 the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, means NCSTC, asked the Government of India to design February 28 as National Science Day. This event is now celebrated all over India. Schools, colleges, universities and other academies. Medical research centers are one of them. On the occasion of the first NSD means National Science Day, NCSTC means National Council for Science Technology Communication, announced the Institute for the National Science Day Populage Award for recognizing outstanding efforts in the area of science and communication. So the history is that the NCSTC announced in the National Science Day, on the first National Science Day, they have announced some people name who is going to awarded on this in the area of science and communication. Okay, so now I will tell you the celebrations of National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28 February. The celebration also includes public speech, radio, TV science, TV science movies, science exhibition based on the themes and concepts, debate, quiz competition, science model exhibition and many more. So they are celebrating that all the things are included, like the public speech, people give speech on that in the school, colleges or whatever they are going. They give a speech on that. It's also covered in TV, and the science movies, there are many science movies also which is based on this day. The science exhibition are also done in all of the school, and based on the concepts they have given in that, so they are getting, and the quiz competition, debates, lectures and all has happening already. Now I will tell you about objectives of celebrating National Science Day. So I will tell you now. National Science Day is celebrated to spread a message about the importance of science used in the daily life of the people, to display all the activities, efforts and achievement in the field of science and human welfare. celebrated to discuss all the issues and implement for new technologies for the development in the field of science, to give an opportunity to scientific-minded citizens, to encourage the people as well as the populace of science and technologies. So here National Science Day spreads a message that the importance of science and communication in their lives, which is very important. To display all these activities, efforts and achievement in the field of science that it is happening, it is also celebrated to issues and implement about the new technologies. There also new technologies are coming, and for that it is also discussed on this day. For this development of science, for developing the science, to give an opportunity to scientific mind citizens in India. There are many scientific mind peoples in India which are inventing new things. Like in this lockdown, many of the people have been invented some new things, some new, which is very new. It is special. They are given, and they are giving a opportunity. Opportunity means a chance. They are giving a chance to the scientific mind citizens in India. Now I will tell you the theme for National Science Day. So I have written from 1999 to 2021. So it is not possible in the video to tell all this. So that's why I will tell you about some important days, and others you can find in the description box. I have written there from 1999 to 2021. So I will read for some important days which is done. So let's start. So the theme for 2000 was recreating interest in basic science, which is they want to get interest in basic science. This was the theme of 2000. And in 2011 it was chemistry in daily lives. The theme was that they want to give a chemistry, want to invent a chemistry in everybody's life. In 2012, clean energy options and nuclear safeties. And 2015 it was science for national buildings. It was for science for national buildings. And in 2020 it was women's in science, and the theme which is decided on this year 2021, it was future of STI, impact on education, skills and work. This year it is they want an impact on education, skills and work. They want this year that. Okay. Others you can which is I have left, you can that see in the description box. I have written from 1999 to 2021. So on 28th February 2009, 5 institutes in India were presented the National Award for Science Communication by the Indian Department of Science and Technology. These awards are presented to recognize the efforts of individual and government and non-government bodies for popularization in science in India. The highest award was given in 2009 to Vikram Sabhai Communication Science Center for its contribution to science-related learning materials and conducting training programs on science education. A festival of measurement, the Space Fair, and held at the Nehru Plant, New Delhi. Dr. Pramod Kumar Mukhopadhyay. So here this festival is done. This is called a type of festival only. This festival of measurement space held at Nehru Plant in New Delhi. And as I told you in the starting only, I will tell you about the not accident. I will tell you what happens in 2012. So as I also told you there also, I'll tell you there also that the theme in 2012 was for National Science Day. It was clean energy options and nuclear safeties. So I will tell you a little more about in 2012. So I will tell you now. The focal theme for 2012 was National Science Day was clean energy options and nuclear safety. Okay, as India observed National Science Day on 28th February, the citizens saw a slew of activities at the Science City, which has planned a 5-day science carnival on theme of youth and science. The Science Carnival is going to be an event of series of scientific activities and programs involving in school, colleges, implement scientists, and virtual of the states and countries. Okay, so we want to provide a real platform for building scientists to make their career and professional in science, said a Census Science City official. So in here the Science Carnival, which I just told you, this has been happening in all the schools, colleges, and for the scientists in every city, in every state, and in full India it has happened. Just they have want to give in a platform to building scientists. They just want to build 1 lakh students in science. They can build new scientists in our India, and that's why they done this Science Carnival, which is scientific activities are done. That's why it is done, and they want 1 lakh more students to come in the Science Day, and the Science Day to come and involve in science the most. The first and the most they just want that 1 lakh more students should come and participate in science and communication. So that was all about National Science Day, and according to the theme of National Science Day, you can see the link in the description box, and also if you have not, you can also get the channel link, my channel link, in the description box. So thank you for watching the video, and happy Science Day.